Hi, I'm Sümeyye. My lesson plan is for 6th grade. The time is for 2 lesson hours, which are 30 and 30 minutes. I will teach the lesson 28 April. The topic was geometry and measurement. Subtopic is measuring area. Objectives here. Üçgen alan bağıntısını oluşturur, ilgili problemleri çözer. I use materials which are 6. sınıf matematik ders kitabı, MEP beceri temelli sorular, GeoGebra application and Zoom. First, I begin the lesson some questions, which are: what is the area? What comes to your mind when you hear the area? What area can we calculate? How? Because they know something about the area, especially area of a rectangle. For the area of triangle, I need students to remember the area of rectangle. First, I want them to calculate the area of this rectangle, because the area of rectangle is logical with unit squares. They can 1, 2, 3, 4. They can find the area of it. Therefore, the area of triangle should be based on the concrete things. And then I divided it 2 parts equally. You can see here, which equals the triangle. By dividing the area of the rectangle, they reach the area of the triangle. I want them to explore the formula of triangle, which is in the rectangle, the long side A, and the short side is B. And they can see here A times B over 2. And then I give them to a different rectangle with different triangle. I also want them to calculate the area of the triangle, this triangle, but without this line. And how can we reach it? I asked them. I will help them by drawing a line to the rectangle. After listening to their answer, they should see the similarity between this and this, the other question in the first verse, or we can assume that this triangle, this one and this one is equal, and this one and this one is equal. For proof this, I will show a simulation in GeoGebra. Let's see it. This. You can see it. These are equal. And then, thanks to this, they can see their equality. After they also reach again that the area of triangle equals to half of the area of a rectangle. Because this and this equal, this and this equal. Okay. And then I give some questions to students in order to comprehend this rule. And also mention about what we are doing actually while finding the area. We multiply the sides and its height, and then divide 2. I give the formula of the area of a triangle, and we draw the height with h. I will say this. And then students can find the heights of triangles. For that, they should remember its types, which are acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. Before showing their heights, we should discuss about it with students. How can we find heights? After that, I show again a demonstration in GeoGebra, so that they can see how to find their heights. Let's see this question. And first I will begin this, and then it goes to obtuse angle, and it goes to obtuse angle, and their height is here. They see here like this. After the GeoGebra, I solve some problems about height, because I have to be sure that they understand how to find the heights. This is acute angle, this is right angle, and this is obtuse angle. After these questions, I ask some questions to students. In the first question here, while using unit squares on the papers, they can easily reach the solutions. It is familiar to them. But in the second example, it is not familiar, because there is no unit squares. But thanks to this question, they learned that they do not need unit squares. The other question, which is different from the others for them, because area is given, but the length of the sides are not given, which are this and this. And they should explore that they should use two different heights to find the length and the circumference. This question is different to others, because they should think mathematically to find the length of the sides and the height of the triangle, because here there is no about information about the sides and these sides. For that, they should do some calculations. The other question is again different the others, because they can find different solutions for this question. The first one is removing the small triangle, or finding areas, these two triangles separately. The last question is here. They should first read carefully this question, because it's long, and they can notice that one area do not have to be the same shape. They should calculate this area, and then they should find the other area is equal to them. And lastly, I give homework to students. This from Mapbook, and I solve some questions here, but it is useful again. They have a chance to drill and practice with these questions.